cook spaghetti. Yan yung lalo ko corned beef. Hindi ko naginisa sa mantika ang sibuyas, bawang. Then later we put our sauce, Nestle Creme, and I will put grated carrot. We'll put honey because we have extra honey here. And this is our spaghetti sauce with corned beef, honey, grated carrots, and Nestle Creme. Pwede na kainin.
Ang sarap pala ng honey instead of sugar and milk. Sobrang sarap niya.
Nay, and what can you say, Nay?
Sarap.
Sure ka, Nay? Totoo? Ito pa. Ito pa. Ito pa.